In primetime news this evening, gay rights advocate loses legal battle with Television Jamaica in the Court of Appeal. Will there be a trial? Decision on continuing corruption case against Royal Reed and co-accused by mid-December. And the better candidate, Mark Golding touts experience among reasons he should lead.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Would you support a relaxing of the nightly curfews over the Christmas holidays?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.